Hey, what's up, guys? And today we're going to unbox a Wrinkle in Time on Blu-ray and Sherlock Gnomes on Blu-ray. First, let's unbox A Wrinkle in Time. So this is okay. The cast includes Oprah Winfrey, Reese Witherspoon, Mindy Kaling, Storm Reed, with Zach Galifianakis and Chris Pine. It says hours of bonus include deleted scene, bloopers, all cast interviews, and more. Here's the front. Here's the front. The side. Other side, and the back. So it's all heart. I don't even know, but I haven't seen the original one yet. So the magnet element. So this one is this one's a 2018 Blu-ray releases. So So here what it looks like. So let's unbox it. So we should watch a Wrinkle in Time. No, I could do it. I don't need help. We can watch a Wrinkle in Time first. Okay, I got it. So, oops. Oh. So here's a code. So wait, it doesn't say the code.
Make sure the code isn't in the frame, bro.
Okay.
People can steal it.
Here's a code for this. So here's a Blu-ray. Okay, so here's a Blu-ray. Here's a Blu-ray. And here's a DVD. So, and here's a DVD. So, here's a DVD. So, okay, next up we'll unbox Sherlock Gnomes on DVD, on Blu-ray and digital. Here's the front and and a fun-filled family adventure. So here's the front, the side, other side, and the back. So in the back. Out of the garden into the great unknown. It's a rated PG. So this movie includes Johnny Depp as Sherlock. So oh, come on. Why is it so hard to take this off? So here what it looks like. So should do a boxing video. So this is what the code looks like. So oh, I have the SpongeBob movie, SpongeBob Waters, though.
Pop the code.
So here's a Blu-ray disc. Here's the disc itself. Here's a disc itself.
Pretty.
Here's a Blu-ray, and here's the DVDs. Oh, here's a Blu-ray and a DVD. And a DVD, so. And a DVD, so. And that's it for today. So I hope you have a good day. So I'll see you next time. Bye.